Hi guys, welcome. We're booting up the ArcoLinux ISO. No, it's the AA ISO. So the ArcoLinux with LS. And we've built it ourselves in this Virtualbox. I did the other one in VMware. So just showing that the nano RC file that we've put in there somewhere, right, makes a difference. The fun of the project is that once you've made the ISO, you can reuse it and reuse it and reuse it as long as you want. So first of all, I still have to type this thing, but then we're in the clear with AZERTY keys, right? I go to the LS or the LS dev. There's the development where you play around, change some things, put it on the GitHub, and then pull. And that's the thing. The packages, the ArcoLinux packages, are present. Your code can be git pull, so I can do this manually. But there is something available. There is a start sh, because all the rest is not green. It needs to be green. So start, and this is immediately, do you want to get the last GitHub code in? Internet required. It will be overwritten. Everything you have changed. So remember, if you were changing something in the live environment, if you do this, it overwrites everything again. So this is best done in the beginning. For sure, that's one. And two, you need to do it because that everything needs to be green. And then we stop. No. Just showing you, yes, you can continue, but just showing you everything is green. Everything is good. The nano RC, what effect has it? If I say nano, look at all the white guys, I can have a look at the configuration. The alice.conf. On the fly, I can decide, look at the colors. All the blue stuff is just read. Of course, please read. Do not waste the developer's time like I've done. But read first and ask later, right? So in here, you can immediately decide to change something. You can say, I'm going to change this. This time around, I'll do a BTRFS or a ButterFS thing and an exclamation mark there and an exclamation mark gone there. It says single at the end. It means just the one. You can't have an X4 and BTRFS. For this thing, it makes sense, right? So that's nano RC. The effect of nano RC is this blue and this white, and you know what's being used and you know what's not used. And Control X, save modified buffer, yes, no, yes, you say, enter, you say, it's saved on the fly in the live environment. Next time when I run everything, it will be working. But don't run start anymore. Now it's finished. Start is start. There's another one. Nano. Which one? LS packages. Maybe. On the fly. I said, I forgot to add something, right? I forgot to add, I don't know, melt or something or anything. They're all here. Firefox, Chromium, FileZilla. As long as it's on Arch, that's the Arch bit. Here's the Flatpak bit, and here's the AOR bit. You can add things to it on the fly. Okay. When everything is saved, you see this. How can I go on? Read the website from the developer, right? And it says you need to run ls.sh. That's it. And then it's time to take a coffee, walk away, and let the thing do its job, because it has everything it needs. You've configured all the variables basically in ls.conf and lspackages.conf. Those are the main guys, and the rest is for other tutorials. And off it goes. One last time telling you everything will be erased. You know this? Yes, we know this. Boom. And off it goes, installing everything. All right. Enjoy nano RC. Enjoy AA. Have fun.